Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala, Grade 9 History. Our chapter is the French Revolution. See how we have seen the national after the State General National Assembly came. After the National Assembly, many new clubs established. After that, one club, Jacobin Club, was very active, and he formed again the new constitution. That is the convention came into existence, and the person was the leader was the Jacobin. Of the Jacobin club was Maximilian Robespierre. Maximilian Robespierre. See now the time period of the Robespierre was counted as the reign of terror. The time period of Robespierre was counted as reign of terror. See the period from 1793 to 94. See 1789 the revolt and all things happened. After that estate general meeting and all the things happened and National Assembly came and all this period went into three times. And then in 1793 to 1794 Robespierre was there and is referred to as the reign of terror. Reign of terror means the time period of totally fear. Terror word is came from the word from the fear only. The meaning is like that only. Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Now Robespierre wanted equality only, and his policies were very strict policy. All those men, all those whom he saw as being enemies to the republic, for example, nobles, clergies, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with his method. See, those who were against, little bit against the anything related to republic, immediately he will arrest them and imprison them and tried by the रिवोल्यूशनरी ट्रिब्यूनल मीन्स उसके ऊपर ऐसा आरोप लगाया जाता था कि वो रॉन्ग कर रहा है और रिवोल्यूशनरी एक्टिविटी कर रहा है, ऐसा करके उनके ऊपर चार्ज लगाया जाता था. मीन्स एनी पर्सन देन एक्स नोबल्स क्लर्जीज मेंबर्स ऑफ द अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज इवन मेंबर ऑफ हिज ओन पार्टी anybody is not agree did not agree with the policies of the Robespierre, immediately they were arrested. If the court found them guilty, now see the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. They were guillotined. See, guillotine is a device consisting of two poles and blade with which person beheaded. It was named after Dr. Guillotine who invented it. See in further slide I am showing you the picture of the guillotine also. See this one type of device he made. In the device they are making the person and they are cutting the person and they are cutting the head of the person. How they can do that I will show you in the next slide. It is there. So that is one device guillotine. And after the who is then search that is made by the Dr. Guillotine. So the name of the device is guillotine. See means the Robespierre's policies were very strict. He worked very strictly. So again the dissatisfaction is there. Now Robespierre government issued law placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. See selling maximum selling of wages and prices issued a law placing. Law means laws placing. Meat and bread were rationed. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it at price fixed by government. See, peasants were forced to transport their grain to cities and sell it at a fixed price. Peasants have to sell their grains in the cities with a fixed price by the government. Whatever price was fixed by the government, according to that only they have to sell. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. See the use of more expensive white flour, that means in simple language we are saying maida. That was forbidden means was not allowed to eat because those who were very rich family they can take another cannot afford, so he banned all the things. All citizens were required to eat the pain delight quality bread, a loaf of made of whole wheat. Means one type of another flour was coming from that flour they are making the bread, and that bread only all the citizens all the people has to eat. Equality was also sought to be practiced through forms of speech and address. So in forms of speech and address also he changed some of the things for the equality. Instead of traditional monsieur, sir and madam, all French and French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyen. citizens. Means they are not saying now sir and madam, and they have to all are counted as the citizen only. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks or office. He closed the churches also, and the buildings were converted into offices. Robespierre pursued his policy so relentlessly that even his supporter began to demand moderation. Relentlessly means to strictly and without saying anything. Anytime he was giving punishment to, and like that he was doing. So the now all are not ready. The supporters were now not ready to support him. Finally, he was convicted by the court in July 1794, arrested, on the next day sent to Guillotine. See, he himself was also sent to Guillotine. He sent many people to Guillotine. Now he himself was also sent to Guillotine. See, this is the picture of Guillotine. See, these two poles are there and the circle is there here. They are putting the head of the person, and this is the blade. And this is the blade. So when the person, the head is here, there the blade is coming down and the person's neck should be cut. See, like that the guillotine is there. Now again what happened? Dictator rules in France. See, now again dictator rule came in France. Monarch means only single person. Now again dictator rule came in France. The fall of the Jacobin government allowed the wealthier middle class to seize power. See, now what happened? The fall of the sea. Robespierre, Maximilian sent to Guillotine. So now the vacuum is there, place was empty. So again anybody will run to take the place. So what happened during the time of Jacobin club? Robespierre, the lower third state, from the third state lower persons were there. The prosperous person were not there. From the third estate, the lower class, lower people were there in the Jacobin club. Now, as soon as the Robespierre sent to Guillotine, now the place was empty, vacuum was there. So immediately the wealthier middle class acquired the power. Immediately the wealthier middle class reigned and acquired the power. A new constitution was introduced. Again the new constitution was introduced, which denied the vote to non-propertied section of the society. Which denied the vote to non-propertied society sections of the society. It provided for 2 elected legislative council. Now they don't want the power on the hand of a single person like Robespierre. So they decided to make the 2 elected legislative councils. This then happened a dictatorship and executive made up of 5 members. See, an executive they made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in one man executive as under the Jacobins. That I told you, na, that they don't want now, they didn't want to be a power under one person. That is why. Now, however, the directors often clashed with the legislative council. See, directors were there. Directors wanted to do something else, and legislative executives were wanted to implement something else. So they are totally in conflict. Again and again, there would be conflict against them, and clashes were there. So obviously you are knowing that in the clashes and conflicts of two, the third person is coming and taking the advantage. Third person is coming and taking the advantage. So the same thing happened here also. What happened in between the clashes of the legislative council and directors, when they sought to dismiss them? Who then sought to dismiss them? The political instability was there. So because of that, the political instability was there, because they themselves were fighting only, they were not looking anything in the France properly. So again there will be political instability was there, and because of the political instability, this directory paved the way for the rise of military director. Now again they paved the way for the rise of military dictator. Again military dictator came, and they gave the rise to the military dictator. Who was the military dictator? He was a military general, that is the Napoleon Bonaparte. Now Napoleon Bonaparte came. Napoleon Bonaparte was the military general, and again the dictatorship came in the France. Again he gave the rise to the dictatorship in the France, means one man army type thing came again in the France. Who came as a military general? Napoleon Bonaparte. See, again, I am repeating that first Estates General was there. After that, National Assembly came. After that, Convention came under the Jacobin Club. After that, again, the new constitution came. And then again, they were having the conflict among themselves. The military general came and he was the Napoleon Bonaparte. Thank you.